This segment is sponsored by Catherine's Health Center. It started out more than 2 decades ago as a community clinic in the Creston neighborhood. I remember covering that news story. Today, it is a full-fledged federal qualified health center. Sam Wolfile is here. He's the Director of Strategic Engagement at Catherine's Health Center, and he joins us now to talk about their mission and those they serve. Hi, Sam.
Hi, thanks for having me on.
I am glad to. Tell me more about Catherine's Health Center.
Yeah, of course. So, as you mentioned, Catherine's is a federally qualified health center. And so we started a little over 26 years ago, almost 27 years ago now, on the north side of Grand Rapids, and has since grown and we became an FQHC in 2020, September of 2020 to be exact. And ever since then, we've been growing and expanding. So we are really just here for the community. We started as a community clinic and now expanding our services and our locations all across Grand Rapids and Kent County.
Yeah, talk a bit about the services that you provide.
Yeah, so we provide three main services. So that is primary medical care. So just like you would think going to your family doctor, your primary care provider, that's exactly what we do. And then we also provide behavioral health services. So that includes, regular counseling and therapy, as well as anxiety, depression support, etc. And then we also have dental services. So your routine dental cleanings, checkups, some minor extractions, minor surgeries, those kinds of things. And so really providing all three of those services to anybody and everybody that's coming through our doors.
Yeah, that's amazing. Talk about locations and where people can find you.
Yeah, so we have four brick and mortar locations across the Grand Rapids area. So we have our original clinic up on the north side of Grand Rapids in the Creston neighborhood, right in the corner of Leonard and Lafayette. There we have primary medical and behavioral health services. And then just down south a little bit in the Wyoming area, we have our new Wyoming clinic that opened last August. We have primary medical and behavioral health services there as well, right around 36th and Clyde Park. Just down the street from that, we have our standalone dental clinic, providing all the dental services there, and that's at the corner of 36th and Eastern. And then last but certainly not least, most recently, we opened our expanded clinic, and that's co-located with Streams, and that is right around 60th and Division. And at that location, we are actually providing all three of our services in one convenient spot. So that includes primary medical, dental, and behavioral health all at one location alongside the services that Streams is providing.
Talk a bit about what sets Catherine's apart from other healthcare clinics or facilities.
Yeah, two of our biggest things are really our compassion that we have for the people that are coming through our doors, because we want to make sure that anybody that comes through our doors, regardless of their insurance status, their employment status, their immigration status, citizenship status, it doesn't matter. We're going to make sure that they are able to be seen and that we provide that same quality and compassionate care to them that everybody else gets. We want everybody to feel like a person. And we also are set up to do just that. We're able to see people, like I said, that don't have insurance or might be underinsured or maybe can't afford necessarily their copays and those kinds of things. And so we're really able to see everybody that's coming through our doors and have a number of accessibility services set up as well, especially with translation services, etc.
You had a heck of a year in 2022, a lot of growth, so now 2023, you're delivering on all of that expansion and growth. Talk a little bit about, what the year ahead holds based on what all you did last year.
Yeah. 2022 was a really great year, a crazy year, but a great year. We opened our Wyoming clinic that I mentioned a little earlier, and then we also opened our expanded clinic, and that's co-located with Streams towards the end of the year. And so yeah, a lot of growth, a lot of expansion between services and between our locations. And so really this year is just making sure people know that we're here. The facilities are here, the locations are here. We are accepting new patients for all of our services at all of our locations, and we can get people in quickly and effectively and efficiently. And we just want the communities that we're in to know that we're here and that we are here to help them and support them and make sure that they are getting the care that they both need and ultimately want, with the quality and compassion that we provide each and every day.
What a great mission. I'm happy to help you get the word out. And folks, if you want more information on Catherine's Health Center, you may visit the website. It is catherine'shc.org, catherine'shc.org. Thank you, Sam. Good to see you.
You too, Catherine.